contains more protein than an egg. It sounds unbelievable, but this is true and even more special. This seed not only provides protein to nourish your muscles, but also helps you fight one of the most silent enemies of aging muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia after age 60. Our bodies begin to lose muscle mass silently. No one notices it immediately until one day you realize you need to push hard with your hands just to stand up from a chair. Climbing stairs becomes a challenge that makes your heart race and legs tremble. Or even opening a smallier in the kitchen becomes difficult. And at that moment, you realize how truly valuable strength is. But don't worry. Today, I will reveal 2 U5 super seeds, secret weapons that can help you maintain your muscle mass, increase strength, and keep your freedom with every step. These aren't expensive supplements or complicated formulas. They are natural gifts you can easily add to your daily meals. So every muscular fiber is nourished, every step becomes stronger, and every morning you wake up feeling your legs are still strong enough to conquer everything you love. Before we dive into solutions, I want our community to connect. Take a second, comment below. You've ever felt worried about your leg strength? Simple, yes or no is enough. Because when we share, we know we're not alone in this battle. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe because I'm here every day to share truths that can help you reclaim your strength and independence. And stay with me until the very end because I won't just reveal the names of these foods. I will give you a clear, detailed roadmap. A daily plan to transform your body from a house falling apart into a strong, renovated home brick by brick window. By window, just by making small adjustments in your daily meals. Let's start with the first seed. Number 1, hemp seeds. Complete protein to build muscles and strengthen joints. Imagine a tiny seed no bigger than your fingertip, containing muscle building power equal to or even greater than eggs. A seed that can blend into your breakfast, sprinkle over your lunch salad, or add to your afternoon smoothie, delivering steady energy and rebuilding each muscle fiber that has weakened over the years. That is hemp seed. Hemp seeds have long been called the king of plant proteins. Just 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds, about 30 g, provide nearly 10 g of complete protein. This means it contains all the essential amino acids your body can't make on its own needed to build, maintain, and repair muscle. For older adults, this is decisive. Factor 2, fight Sarcopenia. Age-related muscle loss that silent likes away your ability to walk, climb stairs, or even stand up from a chair without support. Beyond protein, hemp seeds are a treasure trove of omega-3 and omega-6 in an optimal 13 ratio, reducing inflammation in muscles and joints, protecting your heart, and supporting better blood flow to every muscle fiber. Omega-3 also nourishes nerve cell membranes, improving neuromuscular signaling, keeping your legs not just strong, but quick and responsive. Reducing fall risk as you age, hemp seeds also provide magnesium. The famous muscle relaxation mineral. Magnesium helps muscle fibers contract and relax smoothly, calming minor spasms before they become painful night cramps. A serving of hemp seeds also contains iron and zinc, supporting red blood cell production, delivering oxygen to muscles and maintaining endurance when you walk, garden, or do light exercises. The best part is hemp seeds are easier to digest than most other seeds. The protein in hemp seeds doesn't contain phytates, compounds that inhibit nutrient absorption found in many bean sand seeds. This means older adults, even those with weak digestion, can absorb hemp's nutrients fully without bloating or discomfort. You can easily add hemp seeds to your daily meals. In the morning, sprinkle 2 to 3 tablespoons in your oatmeal or Greek yogurt. At lunch, add a spoonful to your green salad with olive oil. In the afternoon, blend it with banana almond milk and a bit of cacao powder for a complete plant protein smoothie. Hemp seeds have a mild, nutty taste that blends easily with food. Other foods. If you're looking for a natural, plant-based, easy-to-digest solution as powerful as eggs, hemp seeds are the perfect choice. Each teeny spoonful not only nourishes your muscles, but also empowers your spirit, helping you walk more confidently each day. Because legs aren't just for moving. They give you freedom, confidence, and dignity. And hemp seeds, though tiny, can become your silent weapon against aging weakness, preserving each proud and strong step you take. Number 2, Sacha Inchi seeds. The mysterious Inca seed to prevent muscle loss and nourish joints. There is a seed once called Inca goldust by ancient Peruvian warriors to gain strength before long marches. Sacha Inchi seeds, also known as incapinate seeds, aren't just food. Very powerful complete plant protein among richest in omega-3 in the seed world, helping older adults fight muscle loss and keep their joints flexible. Just 28 g of Sacha Inchi seeds provide about 8 to 9 grams of high-quality protein contain all essential amino acids. This is equivalent to or even higher than the protein in a large egg. For seniors, where every gram of protein is precious to maintain muscle mass. Sacha Inchi seeds are a natural weapon against sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss that causes legs to weaken, tremble, and lose confidence when moving. Sacha Inchi seeds aren't just notable for protein, they are among the richest plant sources of omega-3, surpassing most other seeds. Omega-3 plays a key role in reducing chronic joint inflammation, nourishing muscle and nerve cell membranes, and improving neuromuscular signaling. These helps each of your steps become a steadier, your reflexes quicker, reduce joint pain, and prevents sudden muscle spasms in cold weather or after long rests. Additionally, Sacha Inchi seeds are rich in vitamin E, which fights the oxidative damage that weakens muscles with age. Vitamin E also improves blood circulation, ensuring oxygen and nutrients reach every muscle fiber, keeping your legs enduring, flexible, and less tired when walking or climbing stairs. Moreover, Sacha Inchi seeds provide a magnesium, zinc, and tryptophan, an amino acid that produces serotonin, improving mood and sleep indirectly, helping muscles relax and recover better at night. A big advantage of Sacha Inchi seeds is that they're easy to digest and rarely cause allergies, making them suitable for people with sensitive digestion. They have a light nutty taste similar to roasted peanuts but milder, making them easy to incorporate into daily meals. You can add Sacha Inchi seeds to your meals like this. In the morning, eat them with oatmeal, banana, and a spoonful of Sacha Inchi for a complete protein breakfast. At lunch, sprinkle them on vegetable salads or mix with cooked quinoa. In the evening, snack on a few dry roasted Sacha Inchi seeds instead of processed snacks, reducing cravings while adding omega-3 and protein for overnight muscular recovery. For older adults seeking a natural solution to prevent muscle loss and reduce joint pain, Sacha Inchi seeds are truly a wonderful gift from nature. Because each tiny seed not only nourishes your muscles but also your spirit, giving you confidence, steadiness, and independence with every step. Number 3, moringa powder. The green superfood that rebuilds muscles and boosts vitality. In the plant world, there is a leaf called the miracle tree or tree of life due to its superior nutritional value. That is moringa. When dried and ground into powder, moringa becomes a true superfood containing more complete plant protein than eggs, along with essential vitamins and minerals to rebuild muscles, boost energy, and protect the overall health of older adults. Just 100 grams of moringa powder provides about 27 grams of protein, an impressive number far exceeding many other seeds and plant foods. What's special is that moringa protein contains the essential amino acids your body can't make, crucial to maintain repair and build muscle mass. Special import in your 60s and 70s when natural muscle loss occurs. Beyond protein, moringa powder is a treasure of vitamins A, C, K, calcium, and iron, nutrients often lacking in older adults. Vitamin A supports vision and immunity, Vitamin C helps synthesize collagen needed for muscles and tendons. Vitamin K keeps bones strong and iron boosts red blood cell production, delivering oxygen to muscles, reducing fatigue when walking or doing housework. Additionally, moringa contains powerful antioxidants like quercetin and chlorogenic acid, reducing chronic inflammation, a cause of muscle and joint pain, morning stiffness, and delayed recovery after activity. Especially its natural anti-inflammatory separate muscles from oxidative damage, keeping muscle fibers flexible and stronger. What makes moringa powder ideal for older adults is its convenience and digestibility. No complex cooking needed. Netto, 2 teaspoons to your morning smoothie, oatmeal, vegetable soup, or sprinkle on salads. And you'll boost essential nutrients for your muscles, bones, and nervous system. A small tip to maximize absorption of vitamin K and fat-soluble nutrients. In moringa. Combine it with a healthy fat source like olive oil, flaxseed oil, or avocado. For example, a smoothie off banana, almond milk, moringa powder, and a small spoon of flaxseed oil provides protein, omega-3, magnesium, and potassium, creating a perfect muscular recovery meal. If you've never used a moringa powder before, start with asmel. Dose about half a teaspoon daily, allowing your body to adjust, then increase to 1 to 2 teaspoons. Choose the organic pure moringa powder for safety and quality. Moringa isn't just food, is life. A green energy source nourishing your body deeply. Adding moringa to your diet isn't just about nutrition, but a commitment to self-care. Keeping your legs strong so you can continue walking confidently, living each day fully with the independence and dignity you deserve. Number 4, firm tofu. The gentle, complete protein to nourish muscles and protect bones. When talking about protein-rich foods for older adults, firm tofu is often overlooked. Yet, in the nutrition world, firm tofu is one of the simplest yet most powerful gifts nature offers, especially for those wanting to build and maintain strong muscles without burdening their digestion. Every 100 g of firm tofu provides about 8 grams of complete protein, meaning it contains all essential amino acids your body needs to maintain and repair muscles. For seniors, where each gram of protein becomes a weapon against sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, tofu is an effective, safe choice, easier to digest than red meat or poultry. But tofu is just protein. It's also a great calcium source, strengthening bones and reducing osteoporosis and fracture risks as youch. The calcium in tofu is a special use borble, particularly if it's made with natural calcium sulfate. Tofu is also rich in iron, supporting red blood cell production to carry oxygen to muscles, keeping you energized for walking, chores, or light exercises. Another valuable tofu component is soy isoflavone, isoflavonoid, like mild plant-based estrogen, helping maintain bone density, reduce muscle and joint inflammation, and support heart health. For postmenopausal women, tofu reduces hot flashes and improves mood. For men, moderate isoflavones don't disrupt hormones and benefit heart and blood pressure. The best part is tofu is extremely versatile and suits many tastes. Slice firm tofu, season lightly with sea salt, pepper, garlic powder, and roast until crispy for salads or with brown rice, or cut into cubes. Stir-fry quickly with shoke mushrooms, broccoli, cashews, and a spoon of low-sodium soy sauce for a light, digestible, nourishing dinner. If you need a protein-rich snack without meat, try cold tofu slices topped with toasted sesame and a splash of soy sauce and sesame oil. Light yet packed with protein and calcium for your muscles and bones. For those with high cholesterol, tofu is the perfect meat substitute, as it contains no cholesterol, little saturated fat, but plenty of protein. For diabetics, Citro's extremely low glycemic index helps manage blood sugar while delivering sustainable nutrition. Firm tofu gentle yet powerful. It nourishes every muscle fiber, protects bones, supports the heart, and soothes saging digestion. When you enjoy a warm tofu dish, remember you're giving your leg strength, maintaining stability with every step. So each day you live fully, freely, and with the dignity you deserve. Number 5, quinoa. The complete super grain that rebuilds muscles and increases endurance. Imagine a tiny seed as humble as a little pearl, yet carrying nutritional power equal to meat and eggs. A food that not only provides complete protein but also valuable fiber, vitamins, and minerals to help older adults maintain strong muscles. Control blood sugar and increase endurance with every step. That is quinoa. Quinoa, called the mother of all grains by the Incas, is technically a pseudograin, but its nutritional value makes essential for anyone wanting to fit age-related muscle loss. 1 cup of cooked quinoa, about 185 grams, providentially 8 grams of complete protein containing all essential amino acids, especially lysine. It's crucial for muscle growth and repair, often lacking in other grains. Beyond protein, quinoa is rich in magnesium, potassium, and calcium, the trio of minerals essential for smooth muscle contractions, preventing cramps, and supratenurosculus signaling. Magnesium helps muscles relax, reducing nighttime spasms. Potassium balances electrolytes, ensuring nerve signals travel accurately, reducing leg tremors and muscle fatigue after long walks. Calcium not only strengthens bones, but is needed for muscle contractions, keeping every step steady. Quinoa also contains lots of soluble fiber, supporting healthy digestion and preventing constipation, a common issue for older adults, while helping control post-meal blood sugar. This is crucial for those facing pre-diabetes or type 2 diabetes, as quinoa has a low to medium glycemic index, providing steady energy without sudden blood sugar spikes. Another big plus of quinoa is its iron content, supporting red blood cell production to deliver oxygen to muscle and the brain, reducing fatigue and dizziness during activity. Quinoa also provides vitamin B6, folate, zinc, boosting immunity, nourishing nerves, and supporting new muscle cell regeneration. Quinoa can easily become part of your daily meals. In the morning, cook quinoa with almond milk, adding moringa powder and hemp seeds for a complete plant protein breakfast rich in vitamins and minerals. At lunch, replace white rice with quinoa served with salmon or stir-fried tofu and greens to keep blood sugar stable and add easy-to-digest protein. In the evening, make a cold quinoa salad with spinach, roasted lemons, and olive oil. Light on the stomach, but packed with nutrients. If you're new to quinoa, rinse it thoroughly before cooking to remove its natural saponin coating, which can taste bitter. Cooking quinoa is simple. Use a 21 water to quinoa ratio. Bring to a boil, redecito. Low heat cover and cook for 15 minutes until the grains bloom, turning translucent with their signature nut aroma. Quinoa, small but mighty, a gift from the ancient Inca civilization to through today. Each quinoa seed you eat is an investment in your muscle, bone, and nerve health, helping you walk confidently and preserve freedom and dignity in every moment of life. Aging makes many people believe that losing strength, balance, or energy is inevitable, but that is not true. Your body still has the power to regenerate as long as you give it what it needs. Just one small decision, like adding a spoonful of seeds to breakfast, can create a big difference. There is still time for you to rebuild your strength from within, regain confidence, and enjoy each day with more freedom. Your body has never given up on you. It is simply waiting for you to give it the nutrients it needs to revive and thrive. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and share it with those you care about. Don't forget to comment below which CD you want to try first and click subscribe and the notification bell, so you never miss any tips to maintain the strength and dignity you deserve.